it's Sherry Said Your Way Studio. Today I'm going to show you a little trick on how to apply application tape to a vinyl stencil. And this vinyl stencil that I have here is actually for doing a reverse stencil technique, kind of similar to this sign here. But quickly, I just want to show you how I apply the application tape to the vinyl. And the reason I would do this is so that then I can get the vinyl off this backing and apply it to the board so I can make my sign. The first thing that I do with this, and hopefully these won't be in your way here, let me know if they are, is I have a big cutting mat, a self-healing mat here, and it's kind of messy. So I kind of apologize for my mess. When we paint, we really paint and we get it all over the place. First thing I do is make 2 tape rolls, and I put it on the edge of the vinyl. And here, I'll hold this up and show it to you. Just like that. And then I stick it down to my self-healing mat here. Make sure it's good and stuck. Then I take my roll of application tape. You'll need application tape, you'll need a squeegee tool for this method too. And we're actually going to use another roll, almost empty roll of application tape. First thing you want to do is get a tail on your roll. Have a little bit sticking out like that. And then I come in like this, and I slowly stick this down. And I don't know if you can see this, if you can come in and see. I stick it down so it's stuck to the table, and it's also stuck a little bit to the vinyl or the stencil there. And you want to make sure this isn't all bubbly and wrinkly. The smoother the application tape is adhered to the vinyl, the better it will, the straighter it'll lay on your board for your sign. So the next step that you want to do is take this extra roll of vinyl application tape, sorry. You can also use like an empty roll to do this. We're actually going to use this method almost like as if it's a rolling pin. So I'm going to set this roll here, and you're just going to ease this onto that vinyl, and then push and roll, just like you're rolling out some dough. And this helps get it all stuck down nice so you don't have any bubbles or creases, and that way your application of that stencil will be straight and accurate on your board. Then I take the squeegee tool like I'm doing here, and I go over and I push it down. And the next thing you'd want to do is I have this big safety ruler that I use, but then I just cut this right off the mat, top here. You can use any corkback ruler, anything like that to trim this out. And then once you get it trimmed out, I peel it off, take my little pieces of tape off, and then it is good to go. I've got my stencil. That is it. Thanks so much.